fellow monogrammers. So today I'll be showing you how to create your own personal monogram using Microsoft Word. As you can see, I did my own right here and I saved it to my desktop. So the first step is to go to this website. It's called dafont.com and it's going to be in the description. But once you open this web page up, you want to go click download on the side. It downloads it, double click it. You get two items that pop up out of this folder and you want to click the second one. Then this little box pops up and you want to install the font. I've already installed the font, but I'll show you how to put it in your Microsoft Word. So what I did, I just clicked and dragged mine to the Comic Life. So I clicked and dragged and I dragged it to Comic Life. See, it pops up a little bubble when you click and drag it. And I just uploaded mine to Comic Life because it was just empty and it was easy to get to. So what you're done with that, I'm just going to exit this out because I've already done it. And then go to your blank Microsoft document. And if you already have Microsoft open, quit it, hit quit, and open a new one because then it installs the fonts. So you have that monogram font. Now I'm going to show you the wrong way to do it. Now this is how I did it before I realized what to do. What I did is I typed my initials in and I selected the font. And then I got this. And to me that's really ugly because it's not positioned right, it's really uneven, and you can't do anything about it because it'll delete the letter. So what to do? You have to create a text box, which is under Home. It should be under Home. And click the text box, enter in a text box, and type in your first initial in caps. Caps looks prettier to me. If you don't like caps, do it the way you want to do it. Then go to Font and choose that font. And the first initial, you want this font size to be 200. So type in 200 and then position the text box. Make it all pretty. Then your second text box should be your last name. Do the same thing, but this time instead of 200, your last name should be 300 since it's in the middle. And of course position it. Make it all pretty. Then your last text box, and if you didn't get already, it should be your first, your last, then your middle name. 200. When you're done with that, you can just position it. So it's all even now. And it looks pretty. That's all that counts, right? Okay, mine doesn't have to be perfect, but you can play around with it to whatever you like. Now the second step, the picture we're going to be using is this lily picture. And you don't want it all black and your font color to be black and ugly, so we're going to do a blue color. To get the blue color, of course it's like normal. All you have to do is click the letter, go to Home, and go to More Colors. I'm just in the crayon box. And then let's use aqua. That's pretty. And so you do the rest for the other letters since it's already selected. You just click that one now. Selecting the letters is like the hardest part. Goodness gracious. Because if you move the text box, it moves the whole thing. Now, so once you're done with all that, you see how I have like a border around my monogram? If you want a border, you just follow the steps. If not, you just skip the step. But I think the border is pretty. So what I did to create the border is I just did a shape. You can use any shape you want, honestly, because in the end, it will not matter. So I'm just going to do like an oval, circular shape. Go to Format and Fill. And fill it with the same color as you used as your monogram. And we used aqua. Once you're done with that, you want to screenshot your monogram and your circle. To screenshot, you do Command, which on some keyboards it's also an apple, or it says Command. Command Shift 4. And what Command Shift 4 does is it lets you select the area you want to screenshot. Command Shift 3 just screenshots the whole computer screen. So you want to make it as big as you can, and you don't want that little cursor in there. It takes a picture, and do Command Shift 4 also on your circle, and make it as big as you can. And now you have your background, your monogram, and your color. So open your background, and then open your color. Now from your color, this is using preview, you want to go to select, elliptical selection, and that just makes you draw a circle. You don't have to draw the circle that big, but draw a circle. And then go to Tools, and go to Crop. As you can see, it crops the area behind it. And then go to Edit, select all. Then back to Edit, and copy. You copy that circle onto your background. So go to Edit from your background, and paste it. And it pastes the circle. Now position the circle however big you want it, and make sure it's in the center before you click away, because once you click away, you're gonna have to start all over again. Now, if you click away and you don't like it, go to Edit, Undo, and it just undoes it. It's not gonna delete everything. And then all you have to do is, if you want it back, paste it again. And mine's not going to be perfect. So, then, once you've got that circle, go to your screenshot monogram, and do the same thing to that. Go to Select, elliptical selection, and draw a circle. Once you like your circle you selected, go to Tools, Crop, crops the area behind it, go to Edit, select all, back to Edit, copy, go back to your background, Edit, and paste. And you paste it, move and drag, click and drag, and you position it so it's all even around the sides. Mine's not going to be perfect. Once yours is all even and however you like it, click outside the box, and it stays there. To save it to your desktop, go to File, Save As, and you don't necessarily have to save it to your desktop, but I do. And just name it and save. It should be on your desktop. Yep, here it is. Ta-da! It's all pretty. And from there, you want to click, select it, and drag. Now, once you've imported your monogram in iPhoto, you can go to save it as your desktop. Go to the Apple System Preferences. Go to Desktop and Screensaver. And go to Last Import. Select it. And ta-da! It's as your background. Exit out of that. And if you want to send this background to your phone, so you can put that as your phone background, all you have to do, select the picture, hit share on iPhoto, and email, if your phone connects to your email. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and monogram away!